Welcome! In this video, we will look at the process to register for e-invoice and choose Tally as your GSP for e-invoicing. To use Tally Prime for your e-invoicing, you will have to choose Tally as your GSP while registering for e-invoice. The e-invoice registration is required to create separate login credentials for uploading and managing e-invoice details. This is different from your GST portal login. If you're already registered for e-way bill, there is no need to register again for e-invoice. You can use e-way bill username and password to log into the e-invoice portal. To register for e-invoice, open the e-invoice portal. Click Registration to open the e-invoice registration form. Enter your GST in and CAPTCHA and click Go to Submit. The company details related to the provided GSTIN number are displayed. To verify the details, click Send OTP. You will receive the OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the form and click Verify OTP. Once the verification is successful, fields to enter username and password are displayed. Enter the details and click Save. You can now log in to the e-invoice system using username and password created now. To select Tally as your GSP, you have to create the API user. API registration is required to integrate the APIs directly with your IT system, enabling your software to interact directly with the portal to upload and download information. Under API registration, go to User Management and click Create API User. An OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to open the user creation form. Select the Through GSP option and select Tally India Private Limited in your Select your GSP field. Enter username and password that can be used for API access directly through GSP, which is Tally Prime. You can use the API username and password in Tally Prime to log in the e-invoice system and directly upload transaction details for e-invoicing and import the e-invoice details. Click Submit. If you have already integrated with API for an e-way bill system, then you can use the same API credential for e-invoice system. You will receive client ID and client secret on your registered mobile number. Once the API user creation is completed, you use the API username and password in Tally Prime to log in to e-invoice system directly. In case you change the API username or password in the e-invoice portal, the same will have to be used in Tally Prime to continue online access. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.